Hello guys, welcome back to Line App. For today's video, we're going to show you how to change choose option text on product cards Shopify. So if you're interested, let's get started. So in this case, choosing the correct or changing the text options here is actually pretty easy. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and log in into your Shopify store and basically go to online store, click on themes, and you want to go and click on the three-dotted option here and click on edit default theme content. Now, by the way, just to give you an idea, this is what it looks like. So I have the default choose options here. We want to update that. So in this case, you want to go ahead and access the products category here or tab, and you want to go and scroll down a bit, look for choose options, and you want to go and just update the text for this one. So just type in whatever you want or whatever text you want to appear here. So let's go and choose variant here, click on save. And once you go back into our store here and reload this, you should see it being updated. As you can see, you now have the choose variant option, and that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Line App. Thank you for watching.